be messing with something and they'll be like, oh, just edit this one thing, and then you're on a touch screen, so you accidentally typed 700 instead of 70, and you're standing right next to the robot.
It's basically pretty slow.
Yeah. There have been multiple times where robots move 10 times faster than I thought I was going to program to do. I've had my hands down in machines doing stuff, and then they start up. Don't trust the robot.
You trust it right now?
I trust it right now. It's an e-stop.
Yeah.
The brakes are on.
Yeah.
As part of that, if you're debugging something and you need to be looking here, one, you should have PPE on. Put your eye, save your eyes. For the love of God, save your eyes. When these things break, they will throw stuff everywhere. Sometimes. If you're, don't put this and something behind you. Just don't do it. And if you need to be close to something, why am I standing here? Don't stand here and be looking at John. Obviously, don't be on the robot. There's no reason to be between you and the pinch point. Just don't be there. There's lots of, you got all the safety settings and stuff. So just like, you wouldn't get underneath the car without some jack stands or something holding up. You wouldn't, if the car's in drive, you wouldn't stand between it and a wall. Just like, it's a machine and you move fast. Be aware of where you are and think, do I really need to be right here? Can I be back here? Can I be over here? Just, if you come with a mindset of thinking that this thing can't hurt you and might malfunction, just keep treating it like that.
Yeah. In particular, like this thing, because it's so sharp, like it will fuck you up.
Everything here, this thing is built to throw 500 kilograms around all day, every day. No problem. When we crash one of these robots, you break. I mean, it will shear this, half-inch piece of steel off. Not care about it at all. So if you are caught between it and something, it's not going to stop this machine. So just don't be in a position where you can get smushed. It's safe and everything, but just like, you see these people when they get complacent and then they're like, they're debugging something and they're here, and it's like, why? Just step back, get away from the robot. If you really need to see up close to something, like, figure out a way you can see up close to where you're not between yourself and the benchmark. Because these things move very fast and can hurt you. As you're working on it, people will be coming in and out, maybe programming stuff, and it's really easy to have somebody want to look at something, and that's fine. If you want to look at something, take turns looking at it. But it's really easy for you to be over there and just be pressing a random button and not really noticing the person to be over here and look at something, and then you start to not looking at it. So just respect them. It's a big, powerful machine. That's my safety speech. The sensors and everything in here are meant to keep you safe, but nothing in here is completely undefeatable.
Yeah.
Of you guys just walking in here and having people running the robot that's independent while there's people in places they shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
One of the things that I think is a risk is, well, the first thing I mentioned is hitting someone with a tool. That's really sure. The second thing is puncturing your hat.
Yeah. You don't want to hit that.
The tank?
Yeah.
You don't want to hit that.
Right. So if we hit that at speed with this corner,
If
that thing will
this
start
is
going.
your guy's machine and the safety set configuration setup of the robot, there is, you can configure stay out zones. So you can set up a box around this in a safety configuration, and you can set up an end effector size, and it won't let that end effector size setting them up. Now, obviously, your table is a little weird because you are going to be getting very close to it. But you might set up something that at least catch these gross programming errors ahead of time. But yeah, just be careful, guys. These things, you know, we have seen people get hurt over the years with machines. Just be careful. Respect the machine. I get too complacent and I get too close and do this stuff, and then something happens that reminds you. They can move very fast and very strong. Spindle functionality. Do you guys want me to like plug into a screen? How do you want to do this? I figure we bring up a program, I show you some of the functions that I'm using to control the spindle.
Yeah.
I don't have like a great, here's the template program, I'll give that to you tomorrow.
Okay.
That's something that I can give to you tomorrow, but
Yeah.
we can at least walk through the spindle functionality. Excuse me, but you want me to just do it on the screen? Do you want me to write some stuff on the whiteboard? How do you do that?
Probably, I would assume sitting here and like operating it.
Okay.
Yeah. Probably not want to spray. That's just gonna.
Yeah, I got spray coolant, we can turn to it last time we showed you that. So, Melissa, why don't you take an hour and do your meeting? I'll set
Okay.
something up where we can walk through that as soon as you guys are back. What time do you guys want to pick back up?
Well, we have 30 minutes before the meeting, so the meeting's at